In this video, you're going to learn how to make high-level follow-ups. Hey there, my name is Kerry, and in this particular video, I'm going to answer that question by addressing the following three questions. Number one, how to create a workflow for follow-ups. Two, how to create an email sequence. And then three, how to create a text message sequence. How to create a text message sequence. So I'm going to hop out of here and over into my demo sub account, and we're going to go into automation. That's where you create your workflows. This is where you're going to do all of your follow-ups. So we're going to click on create workflow. From here you can select a recipe or you can start from scratch. Under recipes, there's a bunch of different opportunities for creating some follow-ups, right? So we have a recipe for missed call WhatsApp back. We have some others here as well, right, with Facebook comments. We have an IVR recipe. We have a long-term nurture reactivation email sequence. We have an email drip sequence. We have an FAQ auto reply. We have a send review request recipe. We have the appointment confirmation reminder plus survey plus review request recipe. We've got a recipe for Facebook Messenger. We got an auto missed call text back recipe. We have no show nurture. So this is basically following up as well. Appointment confirmation and reminder, and then list reactivation. So you have a ton of these recipes you can just easily select and then see how they look and what they all include. So like let's take a look at recipe list reactivation. It says an incredible way to generate leads for any business with a list. Requires no ad spend and AI filters positive responses. So if we click select, it's going to automatically import this particular workflow or automation. And it says here workflow if else conditions upgraded. We'll be updating the structure of if else conditions in the workflow. Don't worry, it won't impact how your conditions currently work. So they're making some adjustments, which is cool. And this one starts off with a contact tag, right? And so you need to select a tag or create a tag for this to execute. So you would assign a tag to a contact for this particular workflow follow-up, right? In this case, it looks like it says free whitening offer. So this looks like it might be something for dentists in general. I've got 10 free teeth whitening vouchers here on my desk. Would you be interested in one? So that's a message. It's an SMS message that would go out. Let me pull myself over here so we can see things a little better. And I can navigate. And they have wait until reply or 1 hour. If they replied within the hour, we come down the left side here where it says branch. Was reply positive? If it's positive, we do a positive next step reply. It says great, I've got a voucher with your name on it. To redeem, click here to book a cleaning. And then you would insert a link or some of that nature in the text message. If it wasn't positive, then they get this one. It would just say no worries. And then if they didn't reply within an hour, we do a second attempt to follow up with them via text message. And it says just checking back to see if you'd be interested in a free whitening brooch or voucher. Should I put one aside for you? All right. And then we wait for reply again. And if the reply was positive, it's the same positive reply next steps. And I'm sure if it's negative, it says no worries. Okay, it does. So this is a recipe that you could either use as is or modify, but it gives you some basis and some groundwork to work from, right? So you kind of don't have to build it from scratch. However, once you get really good at this stuff and you understand all the different functionality of what workflows and automations can do specifically for follow-ups, you'll probably want to be creating these from scratch, which is what I prefer to do. So this is kind of an example of an SMS or text message follow-up sequence. All right, let's go back to workflows. Let's go back to create a recipe again, select a recipe. And let's go for the email drip sequence. Let's select that one. So this one, it should be an email sequence only, and this one doesn't have a trigger. So you can either add a trigger for it to work, or you can just have another workflow add those contacts to this workflow through an action, or you can manually add your contacts through the actual contact section of HighLevel to this workflow if you don't choose to use a trigger. All right, so in this one, email number 1, it says, subject goes here, create a text email here, or build visual elements in marketing emails templates, and then select from some templates field above. Okay, so it does not really have any dummy copy in this one. It's more or less just giving you directions. Wait for 1 day, wait for open or 1 day. So this wait here is email event, that email opened, or 1 day. So it times out after 1 day. Then it looks and says, was email 1 open? If yes, email event is opened. If not, email event is not opened, right? And so if email event is opened, it waits 1 day. It looks like there's a window here set up for 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. as well. And it sends out this second email that you would write for it. Otherwise, if it was not opened, it would send an email immediately after that 1 day with a new subject. It says email 1 with new subject. So that's it. New subject, same email. Wait 1 day, and then go over and send second email still. Then wait for 1 day, or wait for an open, and then wait 1 day. So we're checking to see if it's open. If it's open, it would go ahead and wait 1 day over here, yes. If it was not opened, it would send a second email right after 1 day. And it's the same thing. So it goes and sends email 3. And this is repeated again for email 3. Was it opened or wasn't it opened? Send email 4. And so it's just basically showing you a 4 email sequence that is checking to see if the email was opened before it sends the second email. And in this case, if it's not opened, it sends the same email with a new subject line after 1 day. Now you could change the timing on this from 1 day to 12 hours, 6 hours, whatever you wanted it to be, right? And then you just update this to make sure you understand what this work or what this action is actually doing for you. All right, so that's how you create follow-ups inside of HighLevel. And you can do this, like I said, from scratch as well. You don't have to build them out with recipes. I just wanted to show you a recipe to keep this video as short as possible. All right, so if you have any questions, let me know. If you do, just leave me a comment below this video and I'll do my best to answer it for you as quickly as possible. Okay, before you go, I want to share with you how you can get access to what I consider the biggest, best, and probably baddest HighLevel bonus package you'll ever find on the internet, worth darn near, if not over, $14,000. All right, so below this video, you can click on a link that will take you to this page you see in front of you. Once you see this page, you click this black button. This pop-up will pop up. You will enter your name, email address, and phone number. Click this black button, and once you submit your information, you'll be taken over to the HighLevel bonuses page that explains everything you're going to be receiving. So there's another talking head video of me explaining the benefits to my HighLevel bonus package. And if you scroll on down, you can see everything that's included, including my HighLevel Insiders flagship mastermind membership program that's absolutely 100% free just by signing up for either Marketing Engines A.I, my SaaS, or through one of my affiliate links for HighLevel itself. So you can get all the information you need about that on this particular page. This program includes HighLevel Masterclass for Beginners. So this gives you a series of videos that will teach you everything you need to know about HighLevel. You will also receive a HighLevel Agency Masterclass for Beginners. So if you are on the $297 agency plan or better, the Pro or SaaS white label plan, you will also have everything you need to know about configuring the agency and or white label Pro SaaS plan. From there, you're also going to get access to my Marketing Engines AI, various proprietary engines that I am building out in my Marketing Engines AI SaaS. You can get beta access to these. So the only ones that are going to be getting access to these before Marketing Engines AI actually officially launches on 5/25/25 are those who sign up through my affiliate link or Marketing Engines AI at this point as beta access users. So you're going to get access to the AI appointment booking engine, the AI birthday celebration engine, the AI sales funnel website engine, the AI lead alert engine, the AI reputation review engine, the AI customer referral engine, plus there's going to be several more of these engines added to Marketing Engines AI platform in the coming weeks and months ahead. On top of that, you're also going to get access to the foundation workshops. Now, the foundation workshops are built out to help you grasp the order of operations that are necessary in order to be proficient and be able to build things out in a timely manner for yourself and or your clients. So week number 1, we start with custom fields and custom values. Week number 2, we talk about forms and surveys. Week number 3, we talk about calendars. Week number 4, we talk about pipelines and opportunities. Week number 5, we talk about email services. Week number 6, we talk about phone numbers with the A2P 10 DLC compliance and application process. Week 7, we talk about payments and invoices. Week number 8, workflows and automations. Week number 9, funnels and websites. Week number 10, trigger links and URL redirects. Week number 11, contacts, lists, and tags. Week number 12, conversations and conversation AI. Week 13, Google reviews and reviews AI. And week 14, communities and memberships, with more to come after that. You'll also be receiving marketing engine workshops specifically geared towards helping you fully understand each one of those aforementioned Marketing Engines AI engines that you're going to get beta access to. So reputation management service workshop, the customer referral service workshop, the birthday marketing service workshop, etc. You'll also get access to weekly live Q&A calls, so you get a chance to get all of your questions answered, and we'll keep you up to date with the latest tools, resources, strategies, tactics, and processes that you need in order to be successful with HighLevel. There's also a private community where you can mastermind with and get the support of a select group of like-minded individuals that are as committed to building their business as much as you are. And if you keep on going, you can read some testimonials, and I'll even tell you exactly how to cancel. You can cancel at any time, 24/7, 365, 366 if it's a leap year, and you can even cancel while you're on the pot. So I show you step by step on how to cancel your account if HighLevel is not right for you, or Marketing Engines AI. So again, this total bonus value is $14,099 and counting. I'm sure it'll be increasing as I develop and launch additional engines. And if you have any questions regarding what's all included in the bonus package or HighLevel Insiders, I have a frequently asked questions area that you can pretty much get all the answers to your questions there. However, if you have additional questions, feel free to reach out and I'll do my best to answer them for you. All right, once you've decided to sign up through my HighLevel link or through Marketing Engines AI, either one on this particular page, you will click one of these black buttons. Once you do that, it'll say try HighLevel now for free, and you will get a chance to either sign up for Marketing Engines AI, which I will give you a 30-day trial of it. So I give you a little better option than just signing up for HighLevel, where you can only get a 14-day trial. However, if you're not interested in signing up for Marketing Engines AI for whatever reason, and yet you want to get started with HighLevel, try it out, you can start your 14-day free trial of HighLevel on the starter agency plan by clicking this link. If you have already started a trial through another affiliate, but you have not yet paid, so you're still in the trial period, you can extend your free trial of HighLevel starter agency plan by clicking on this link. If you want, you can start your 30-day, this is actually a typo. You can start your 14-day trial of HighLevel Pro SaaS plan by clicking this link. And the best news is, even if you already have HighLevel through someone else and you're paying month to month or what have you, you can upgrade to the HighLevel agency plan from the starter plan. Let's say you're on the starter plan and you want to move up to the agency plan, you can upgrade here and still get access to all my bonuses, including HighLevel Insiders. You can also upgrade to the HighLevel Pro SaaS plan, which is the white label plan, by clicking on this link. Or you can purchase or upgrade to the HighLevel annual plan by using this last link. If you choose to upgrade to the White Label Pro SaaS plan, then you will click on this link and it will take you over to this page here where it says upgrade to HighLevel Pro today. You will have to input the agency relationship number, which you can find right here, agency code. So you just copy and paste this in. And then of course you can use my code ZZYYZZX as well. And then if you are interested in only starting your 14-day free trial of the HighLevel Pro SaaS plan, and you click that link, it'll take you over here where you can see everything you're getting and click on start a free trial of the Pro SaaS plan today. All right, so that's everything that's included inside of my HighLevel bonus package. So just pick the option that works best for you depending on your situation. If you have any questions about this, please let me know. You can either leave me a comment below the video, or if you know how to get in touch with me otherwise, you can send me a message via one of those other options. I'll do my best to get back to you in a timely manner. Thank you so much, and I look forward to helping you learn and advance your skill set with HighLevel inside of HighLevel Insiders. I can't wait for you to join us. Hope you have a good one. We'll speak with you real soon.